Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today, in this video, let's learn about how to open an account online on Truist Bank. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for Truist Bank. Now click on this first website, or you can simply click on open an account as well. Now you can choose the type of account you want. Let's go for banking account, and here's the option. So let's go on this one and simply click on open now. Now click on start application. And if you are already Truist client, simply click on yes, and if no, simply click on no. Now enter the zip code. And you can also enter the promo code if you have one. Simply click on continue. Now enter all of your basic information here, that is your first name, last name, your suffix, citizenship, date of birth, phone number, email address, and your social security number. Now we need to enter our address details over here. After that, we need to enter the employment details as well. Once you are done with all of this, if you want a joint account, simply click on yes, and if no, you're okay with no. And tick mark to confirm all of the informations are correct. And afterwards, we need to simply click on continue. After this, we'll go to the next step, that is terms and conditions, where we need to agree on the terms and conditions. Afterwards, we'll be setting up our account and where we'll create our username and password, and the account will be created. Afterwards, we need to do the required opening deposit as well. Once you are done with all of these 4 steps, the account will be opened. So this is all we can do to open an account on Truist Bank. You can also choose the type of account you want in the beginning as well. So this is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.